Okay, guys. So I think we can start. First of all, I do want to say thank you very much all for joining. There's many people on the line. Thank you all for joining our meetup as part of the cybersecurity virtual meetups. Hope you are all safe and secure, of course. If you are not a member of our community, please feel free to connect with us. You have the link to our main LinkedIn group. If not, scan the QR code and become a member. So this meetup and also previous meetups are being uploaded. All the recorded session and presentation will be uploaded following the meetup. And we have our past also meetup, so you can go there, enjoy, learn related cybersecurity topics, very interesting. And of course, today we prepared also very interesting topic to talk about how to secure the future of application. Application is developing all the time. New technology arrives like AI and other development life cycle, and technology is always developing. And as a cybersecurity professional, we do want to be up to date. We do want that our tools, our cybersecurity tools, or application security tools will be up to date and, of course, validate that those security flaws that attackers are revealing every day on a daily basis are not being exposed. We don't want to be in a situation that we have like major security defects out there that a hacker can exploit. And of course, we need our own weapons, okay, inside our internal house as part of our development in order to scan the code, validate that we are aligned with best practices. And of course, if there are any new vulnerability out there, we do want to validate that, we are not exposed. We want to lower the amount of effort and budget in order to fix security defects. Implement, of course, SSDLC, the secure software developing lifecycle, but also tools that will assist us actually to become more secure and give us the visualization, the visualization of the application security. So eventually, there are many technologies like AI that we will talk about. Tamir will talk about all the AI-driven coding and the vulnerabilities out there, how we can mitigate those vulnerabilities. He will start with his first lecture. Following that, we will have Avi Duglan, which will talk about the advance of the state-of-the-art threat modeling, how to detect security vulnerabilities. I want to call it as prediction before a single line of code. And of course, Avi will elaborate on that and how you can predict these kind of vulnerabilities in advance, in the early stages of the development, and even in the early stages of thinking of the design. Okay. And it will be most cost effective, of course. And we will summarize, of course, with Matthew that will talk about the application security tools consolidation and how to reduce the complexity of the total cost of ownership. Eventually, as a security professional or as a CISO, you have many systems which need to be maintained, which have their own dashboard, their own security risk, let's call it like that, security risk calculation. We need somehow to consolidate them, okay? So Matthew will talk about the reducing complexity through an ASPM. Of course, Matthew will elaborate on that. I don't want to, show all your cards.